Hello editors, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my secret CC links with you. These links help me make cool edits that you love. These links are special and you can't find them anywhere else. Are you ready to make your editing better? You can find all the CC links I'm sharing today on my Telegram channel. Join now and get them instantly, plus more editing stuff. I'm also starting a collab challenge. Send me your best edit and I'll choose the best one to work with. Don't miss this chance to work with me and show off your skill. So what are you waiting for? Join my Telegram channel, get the CC links, and get ready for the collab challenge. Let's start.